Hi, I'm Eric Payne. Welcome aboard the Catalpa Falls. I'm a second-generation owner of the car. My father bought the car about 3 months before I was born, in March of 1972. I remember from a very young age, one of my first memories on the car was in Northwest Ohio, where my dad was storing the car after he bought it from Penn Central. My dad and his business partner Bob Andrews and myself have owned the car much longer than the Pennsy and the Penn Central. We're coming up on 50 years of it being in the family. I have a lot of great memories on the car. Come join me and make some new memories.
Catalpa